या 10th class samala jule ta dang ta combination reaction choste no tene combination reaction ta definition tanstepin those reactions in which two or more than two reactants combines to form a single product zati. Also we have given many examples in which we have discussed combination reaction, followed by we also discussed about exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction a definition no ata tanstepin those reactions in which there is evolution of heat. Then an example is tanstepin burning of natural gas and respiration. Then the burning of natural gas and respiration a chemical equation gun tanste chemical equation gun balance kazu ichochen te gunang pata ngosano. The next chemical reaction will start to type of chemical reaction which is our decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. The decomposition reaction chino zerna inawe kaningata pata charu decomposition means to break up. So those chemical reactions in which a single reactants get broken up into many products. The definition tangna dictera. So simple words zena those reactions in which a single reactant gets broken up into many products. Many products. Tangata break chache se zuk reaction jiginda kavina reactant chik product kachina break chara. Tevang example jingata discuss chona. We have calcium carbonate ka ngatai limestone ang zeno calcium carbonate ka kaltes ka ngatai heat tanga. Triangle is the symbol for heat. So when we treat calcium carbonate with heat, it gets broken up into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas evolves. Kabinangatay calcium oxide and carbon dioxide thop e reactant bochakte. So you break something at a product nis thobdo nis ya nis sangma thobado. So this is an example of decomposition reaction. Now we will check whether the chemical equation is balanced or not. The balance duga miruktios taches fiatenata chichapin. We take that element which is highest in number. Ika sama ayot kan oxygen boduk oxygen 3 ika oxygen 1 plus 2 is 3. Testine carbon chick calcium chick. So the chemical equation is already balanced. Testine ngatai zeranokle e decomposition reaction bo it can be carried out in three ways. Ngatai ways lam sumyot ya kavina decomposition reaction will carry train. Tini gome tarika onogle gome method pono by using heat. Now we have already given an example in which a compound is being broken up into many products by using heat. We can just take this example and it can be used here. But also if you want to know another example, then I can also give an example of another reaction when we take ferrous sulfate, and if we treat ferrous sulfate with heat, it gets broken up into Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Ta iwo tangata compound naming chinoxten ba you ferric sulfate zena ki ferrous sulfate zen damjinge teo discuss chostopin kia koi valency astana iveka Fe valency chamyoteno SO4 la chamyono teo ngata ngala patat SO4 la -2 yono Fe chamyoteno. So that formula is this Fe valency o plus 2 yot na SO4 eta khongal la -2 yono kaltes kato iron biang plus 2 yot na tene formula inna dukcheno pa. Did you get my point? Chia zena isko cancel chapin. तो kaltes का तो दंग आता है डिस्कस करते हैं पिन kaltes का तो आयरन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर बो या वैलेंसी ओ +2 नंग आता है +3 हो जाए पिन plus 2 yotna nge minga chi dislo yang plus 3 yotna minga chi dislo tyo kya patang mo sang. Is it fine? Rangja it's like samba tongshik dasa nge sha tasha cheno plus 2 yotna OUS tagame dangata plus 3 yotna IC ta ika chi songte no kwe valency wo plus 2 yot pasangne ika ngata chi mingbe jupa chi takosheno OUS, that means it is ferrous sulfate. Similarly, when I take this compound Fe nang oxygen e valency chameno -2 ta ika Fe valency chamyongo sheno, so that the formula is this. Kaltes ka to Fe valency o 3 yot na tene ive formula yu gustemana Fe ka 2 o ve ka 3 Fe2O3 ta iron oxidation number bocham do +3 yani valency of +3 yot na IC tong. So the name of that compound is ferric oxide. Is it fine? Ferric oxide plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxide. This can be an example of a decomposition reaction which can be carried out by using heat. Now next is we can also dasangatai vis sumyot yases decomposition reaction will carry on choche se. Number 1 was this by using heat. Now number 2 is by using sunlight. Sunlight used to stengata decomposition reaction carry on cho nyandu the katsos compound break charu yan special yok yak lip compounds bangata sunlight thanks they break chamano lip compound de kangata heat thanks they it cannot be broken up. Similarly, when we use sunlight, the compounds like silver chloride and silver bromide can be broken up. Kaltes ka to ngata ngimena phangs te borna kongun ngata watch glass rictorica nente nang ngimena phangs te borna, it gets broken up as. Now if I treat this with sunlight is symbol bo H nu no. Sunlight is symbol bo H nu. H Planck's constant zeno kavis ko rakhe 11th class ne pala silcheno inazui tu bonadik mario symbol bono zakan bo kya padang musano hey. Nu is frequency, you already know from your concepts from 9th class. Now AgCl, when I treat AgCl with sunlight, what I get is I get silver plus Cl2 izui break chan. Then also even achi chanosana Ag plus chichachedu. Very good, Br2 izuk chostengatan compounds break charu zetno isoskun. So these are the examples in which we carry on decomposition reaction by using sunlight, and the last third method is by using electricity. Electricity thanks the kalsos compound yang ata break choruk zena water kurina kaltis kato water ina ata electricity ta ya. Water in electricity tanda it gets broken up as H2 plus O2. Hydrogen na oxygen bo break charu zena hydrogen bang gas form in evolve chachenok tena chosla oxygen bang gas form in evolve chachenok tatio if ya ngata izuk example jik kazui broken up charu zena te if ya ngata ichoshik nge ika practically ngata levena chota ngeches mekya pa maga diagrammatically I'll explain. If we take water in this beaker, I put 2 rods, metal rods here. Then I test tube tans the dozuk just in test tube tans the doka vikaika outlet chigokya. Then it's like test tube chigika outlet chigokya zuk just the. Now I join the electrodes with a source of battery current tans then way. Tanya switch po on chuste no zuk chuste na tini current flow chano tyo current bo positive ne negative hamesha flow chano current flow sum kya current chik flow chano po even ayot kane water gun imoldo side ne ya bubbles being start charu jano ine bubbles being ala thwa kya imoldo ne bubbles being kya ta tyo chi no zena chi po ngata hydrogen gas in kya chi po ngata oxygen gas in kya te score la ngata ya next to next chapter jina yu yo no hydrogen gas po ma ri binte no. Acha in kya dasarang ive katina kefia assignment zoshik. You can just try out this question जब ngata water ka electricity ta na po ta nge zezia cathode nang anode niske ka chik pe ngata hydrogen gas binduk chik pe ngata oxygen gas binduk ta ka side pe ka this is anode positive and this is cathode cathode pe ka oxygen bi atia yang anode pe ka hydrogen bi atia ta khetyo samba tang cheno water be ka electricity ta na po gas amount po E side ne ma bingcheno ki E side po ma bingcheno hydrogen side po ma bingcheno ki oxygen side po ma bingcheno tyo ki samba tang cheno is it fine otherwise ika dasa filhal ta yu no gaya ki water ikang ta electricity ta nam po hydrogen gas na oxygen gas na ko break charu tyo break po izuk she chatya current taste ta ke fengi tyo question bos tek samba tong shik thore next class na ke question ti ang teacher nyam po nge yo explain am tren कि का साइड पे का गैस मारी पो का साइड पे का बिंचे नो जरकन बो संबा तोंशिक ओति जुई संबा तांचेस पो सही नो साइंस एफिया डिस्कशन ट्रेन जिंगा या कि छुला ngataई nge lapkan ji ki o ठीक रा सरले ओ लेजर ति चेस मा ओ युका जुई why how that is how science progress isn't it tena fiata science yargia jonsteno ngata zemiro atom school la song la suizer kiazena Dalton ni tangka ni theory o banchi ni fel song te Thomson boyong te Thomson kam loches pang madik Rutherford chigwana po kirang kiri Thomson kiri tangka ni model bo ठीक मिरुक जरकन जी के 9th क्लास में हासिल मसिल पिना थॉमसन भी तो चला गया ना उसके बाद रदरफोर्ड आ गया था रदरफोर्ड ने जो थ्योरी दिया था वो भी फेल हो गया था उसके बाद आया था बोहर के बाद आप लोगों ने पढ़ा ही नहीं होगा बोहर के बाद और कोई आता है प्लैंक्स क्वांटम थ्योरी ऑफ atoms zerte tanste yokia tena tsosla ya kaltes ka to khijeng samba tangchesti if you use your brain how things are happening thoreshinga ta according to Dolma's theories according to Angchuk's theories according to Murup's theories why not isn't it inna lumpe na dukche se samba mata zapi shit samba ya gyach meldani ka chenmo tangches o nga yu tsoshik jogo sheno nge thinking bo it cannot be limited to small things ngajani purane zamani mi no kya gun suma yongche changune no ka gune samba yergas chinmo samba chinmo ches I palun taktak nangte kamis taktak gunte tyo samba chinmo man is it fine okay thik ra वैसे ta you have to be fashionable you have to look good but then studies cow it's basic for our life tyo hmesang topmost priority ka burgo sanam के अब नामा रिस्पेक्ट चेंज ताते न ओ त्यो कल्तिस का तो के त्यो गलत चुस्ति चोट न हे योन तन लुप जुंगबो लदा से ना जुना सो यंगा थलते सोंते नो एनीवेज डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन इसको लगाता दसा जबी शिचोश के this thing ne decomposition reaction is thing ne inner vena ngatayang izuk reaction jam tanste do endothermic reaction zerkanjik dang ngata exothermic reaction zerkanjik choste no त्यो नाचोक शिमिराता endothermic reaction now what do you understand by endothermic reaction tate another opposite pole tinna tsok so those reactions in which there is absorption of heat in which there is absorption of heat. Tevinata example tungzena daksena examples guntang na dito no po. There's nothing big deal. CaCO3 when we treat this compound calcium carbonate with heat we already know that it gets broken up into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay, what is the common name of this compound? Do you remember? Quicklime. Idura dangzerte IUPAC name calcium oxide IUPAC stands for dangeti zani kya pata mirupin International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry so this is about endothermic reaction is it fine this thing ngata yong chenok le displacement reaction tayang displacement reaction zerkan jikte me gyokya kule ngata chue nang khirchen ya magar kiel demo chus testaches ताइने इका किया लेक्चर तानो मगर के बुक नास्ता चेस ओ सर ले यूजो शंग दुक पाई मेरा यूमला मेरा अगर कुछ आपको मिलता है बुक में से इज इट फाइन Tizuk chwenang khircheno question teacher no ngata 10th AB group discussion jang things te yotenok te vikang ta questions gun discuss cheno a group na chona lots of unwanted things kawyang teacher gun lalte mo chora manok tene. Is it fine? If yang ata tina question dang cheno test tina ngata displacement reaction mo ngata next class na chen demo chuste khielta cheno juju samshi given ayot daru anke reaction khachi examples tang te dote reaction gun ta cheno demo chuste. Baki tete sapa, stay safe, stay healthy, take care, have a nice day.